Actually, let's select it by chain value. That would be little useful. I will put the gender up. Base pay, proposed total base pay, annualized amount, I select and you have this option, an option. I have selected valid option. And there are a few options like maximum minimum sum. So I select sum here. And if I press OK to opt to, errors are coming. The business of the specified. The column must be saved with the primary business object when selecting when outline is enabled. So when I am using outline, I can't select the secondary business object. Then I press OK. Report is run. So OK, so these are the people I have selected. So if you now see the output of this file, do you think something similar to the matrix report? Yes. Yes. So if you go to this employee, so I will add total base pay annualized amount in the list of values. OK. OK. I don't. I think I don't have to select that, because it is already there. So only Alan who has some amount, no problem. OK. OK. Now I will go to the security of this report. So currently this report is shown with how many people. So don't share the report definition. So it is not shared with anyone now. Okay. Suppose I want to share this report with any particular group. Now for that, I have to go to share and share with. Specify authorized groups or users. So authorized groups, suppose I have VP reporting somebody. This is one group, suppose I have created, so I want to share this report with this person. Or implementer. I would like to show the share this report with. And also suppose HR. HR partner administrator. These two report. These two groups. I want to share it with. But there should be one group, suppose Prism administrator. Who might have to share this report with, but is not coming to the list. So, for that case, what do I need to do? I need to go to Worker for HCM reporting and see what are the security groups having access to this data source. So if a group is not having access to the data source, we cannot share this report to that person who is not a part of all these groups. Okay. So for that, we need to change the security policy of that data source. So is somewhere listed all the security groups in the Workday. Yeah, there should be some standard you could for that. I'll show you. And I have one more question on the security. So, for example, I am a project manager in the some company. Like Workday they have, so my access will come under like whatever the group is there for the project managers. But will I be able to get individually one report? For example, I created. I want the access for me only. I don't want anyone else to see that report. Can I do like that? Yeah, if you are given an access of report writer, then you can create report. And if you don't create that, share that report with anyone, then nobody will be able to access that report. Okay. That's what. So then, in that context, I have the full authority as a report writer. No. So if anybody else is also a report writer, and anybody else is an implementer, they will be able to see your report. What do you mean by implementer? Implementer is the highest access one can have. Either tenant. Okay. So what are the different hierarchies in the security? So implementer is one option. Who has access to everything? Actually, if you see Workday, there are different functional areas like functional performance and implement, contact information, and there are different domains. So this domain is person data name. Okay. So if you want to see who has access to this domain, so edit security policy. So these are the groups which will have access to this domain. So like that you can add any group here. What do you mean by domain? Domain is a place where all this business objects